The original Oppo Find N is one of the most impressive foldable devices we've encountered, making it an even bigger shame that it only launched in China. Now the company is preparing its sequel, so will you be able to get your hands on one of these, and if so, what will it offer? Here's all we know so far about the Oppo Find N2. As with the release date, the pricing remains a mystery. So, we look to the previous model for clues. The Oppo Find N cost 7,699 yen, which works out to around $1,055 per £920. When you factor in various taxes that are usually applied to imported devices, this puts it in roughly the same ballpark as other foldable devices, such as the following. We have seen prices rising throughout the tech sector in recent months, mainly due to the fluctuations in currency exchange rates and high inflation being experienced in various countries. There's also the ongoing shortage of processors, energy prices affected by the Russian invasion of Ukraine, and whatever new existential threat the world will come up with next. Bearing these things in mind, the Oppo Find N2 may well be more expensive than the model it replaces. What features will we see in the Oppo Find N2? Oppo may not have confirmed any details so far, but we've already seen some detailed leaks regarding the Find N2.